How to add a notification bar to Wix. So as you can see right here into my website, I have in here this notification icon. So this notification icon is actually included into the actual login bar that you will have if you have enabled the Wix members page. So you can click onto these three dots right here and you can edit this particular element, or you can also open right here the inspector. In this inspector, we have the design, backgrounds, and under this is the notifications. You can change in here the notification icon, text color, borders, corners, as well as a lot of options. Now, if you want to add your own login bar, click on this plus icon right there, then search in here for that. It's typically found on the members area options that we can see right here, since it's actually its own widget. You can either search for it right here, search for login, and you can see it under the community right here. So you can also change the part of login bar that you can have for this part, and it's come pre-installed with the notification bar itself. So that's how you add a notification bar to Wix. Hope we helped.